Let's be real, most of us weren't taught how to make money outside of a 9 to 5. But in 2025, you do not have to wait on a paycheck to survive. If you're tired of being broke, burned out, or just want something of your own, this video is for you. Today, I'm giving you 5 side hustle ideas that literally anyone can start, even with no experience, no followers, and a small budget. Let's get into it. This is my personal favorite and it changed my life. Digital products are things like ebooks, planners, templates, digital journals, anything you can create once and sell over and over again with no shipping. You don't need to be a designer. You can use Canva and PLR content, which is basically done for you material you can resell. I even have a starter kit that teaches you how to edit, brand, and resell digital products for 100% profit. It's beginner friendly and affordable. I'll link that below. UGC is where brands pay you to create videos of you using or reviewing their product. You don't need a huge following. This is different from being an influencer. If you have a phone and decent lighting, you can start UGC. People are making $100 to $1,000 per video depending on the brand and quality. Start by reviewing products you already own, build a portfolio, and pitch to brands via email or TikTok. UGC is perfect for shy girls too. There's a whole lane for Faceless UGC. Ask yourself, what can I do that others need help with? That's your freelance service. Some examples: social media management, caption writing, video editing, email marketing, virtual assistant tasks. You can charge $15 to $100 plus an hour depending on the service. Use sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or post on TikTok and let people know what you offer. Word of mouth works too. You'd be surprised how many small business owners are looking for help. This is for the creatives and idea people. With print on demand, you upload a design and the company prints and ships it for you whenever someone places an order. You never touch inventory, you just promote. This works for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, journals. Use platforms like Printify Plus, Etsy, or Shopify. And yes, Canva is your best friend here too. Affiliate marketing is earning a commission by sharing other people's products. You can promote Amazon finds digital products, courses, software like Canva, TubeBuddy, etc. You get a custom link, and every time someone buys through you, you get paid. Start by promoting products you already love or use. You don't need to be salesy, just share what's genuinely helpful. Listen, you don't have to stay stuck. These are just 5 ideas, but the truth is there's space for you to win. You just have to pick one and get started. If you want help launching your digital product hustle, I've got a few beginner-friendly resources linked below. Whether you need templates, a business guide, or even faceless content ideas, make sure you like this video, comment which hustle you're starting, and subscribe because I drop content every week to help you make money online and build a business you actually love.